I have done 25 times MSP. Right. Why? It doesn't that मेरे को पता नहीं चल रहा है. It's that every MSP I learn something new and even I get a referral. See, if there is a pond full of fish, right? Fisher will go, he will fetch one or two fish, he will come back, he's happy, right? But there is an ocean full of big fish, different kind of fish, exotic fishes, right? If you want to go there and get that exotic, you have to upgrade yourself. You need to get a bigger boat. You need to get new skills. You have to learn new skills to get that exotic one. You need to understand the nature, the current, the flow of the waves, everything, right? You have to upgrade yourself to go there and get that exotic one. Otherwise, if you want to just go on that in your life, just be in the pond, be happy. It's like kuwe ka mendak wali thing. So it's a score that whenever I have attended MSP training, I have came out from that training room with 2 or 3 referrals.
Wow.
It's a record. It's every time.
Uh-huh.
So that's what BNI has given.
So more than 50 references you have received from just attending the trainings. Amazing.